Hosting this summer? You don't need to spend a fortune. These 5 simple upgrades can make your next backyard party so much easier.
Start with a grill that gives you enough room to cook for everyone without spending the whole party standing over it. Next, keep the right tools beside the grill. It sounds simple, but it keeps you cooking instead of constantly running back inside. And don't guess when the food is ready. A quick read thermometer makes it easy to get everything cooked just right. Set up drinks where guests can help themselves. It keeps everyone outside and means you're not playing bartender all afternoon.
And little prep tools like this make serving easier without adding more mess to clean up later. That's really the trick. Set everything up once, then actually enjoy the party with everyone else.
Hey!
Make hosting easier and spend more time enjoying your guests. I've linked all of my summer hosting pics below.